guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox a new item, a vlogging item, camera and the total vlogging kit. And here it is. Okay, let's unbox this. Let's see what is there inside. Okay, first you see this one. This one is the Sandisk memory card for the 4K videos. Supports 4K videos. And next item, you can see this is the holder. Mini tripod for compact system cameras. It's a costly tripod, you can see, and this is a holder for it. Can also hold smartphones and all this. And then going to the next one, it is the Rode on camera microphone. This is a costly item, and this comes within this one. So let's open these items first. Let's see how it looks like once you open this one. So this one, you can see, this is the smartphone holder. Small and handy. And this one is the, let me open this one for you. Okay, let's start with this one. So this is the item. You can see. This is for holding the camera, and it's very rigid. You can see it's very solid. It's a very nice item, designed in Italy. You can see here, designed in Italy. Okay. Okay, let's go to the second item. That you can see a lightweight on-camera microphone, and let's open this box also. Wow, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. You can see this one. So you have to fit it on the camera, and I'll show you the location of the camera where to fit it, and you have to just plug it in inside the camera. There will be a plug-in hole. I'll show you this one. Okay, let's open the main item, and here it is. Canon M50 EOS. Let me open it for you, and you get a complimentary photography course also with this one. You can see here. So let me open it for you. Let's see what is there inside. How is the camera and its lens. What are the accessories available here inside, and here is a complimentary photography course. You can see you have to go here. Also it is in Oman, also it is available, so I have to go someday to do the photography course that is free for me if you buy this type of camera. And this one is the instruction manual, and this is the warranty card. And this is the strip. You can see Canon camera strip. So let me open it for you also. The long one, I think. Yes. So this one you can see strip, and this one is the power, powering of the camera, power cable, and I don't know what is this one. Oh, this is the battery, I think. That's the battery. Let me open this one also. Oh no, this is not the battery. This is the charger, battery charger. You have to remove the battery from the camera and you have to plug it in here. Okay, and here you go for the next item. That's the lens. That is, I'll show you what is this lens type. Here it is. You can see Canon. Yes, and this is, you can see here, 15 to 45 mm lens. So this is very wide lens. This is good for your vlogging. If you are doing like this vloggings, selfie vloggings, then this is, it can capture a wide area behind you. So that is very good actually, and it is with an image stabilizer also. Quite nice. And moving to the main item, and here we go. This is the camera EOS M50 model, and these are the options. You can see these are all the options, and it can shoot up to 4K videos, mainly for vlogging. And this is the display, you can see, and this is a rotatable display also, like this. If you are doing vlogging like this, you can see what is there actually behind you, and what you are saying also, like a selfie vlogging, like smartphones, like this, you can see. Yes, so this display can be rotatable like this, and put it behind and like this. Okay, see, safely stored. And these are all switches and zooming options, on off. Okay, this is quite handy as far I can see. And let me open this one. So this is the battery. Can you just show it? Side, yes. This is the battery. Okay. Not the battery, means you have to install the battery inside. And put it there next. And finally we got the battery, and let me show you the battery also. Small and handy. Wow, Canon. And here you go, Canon battery. So here you have to install the battery like this. You can see, can you just show it closer? Yes, this is the battery, and this is the holder, and you have to charge it like this. So you have to remove the battery from the camera and you have to charge it. So for this camera, there is a cap also on the lens, and you have to just press it to open it. Okay, let me show you how to mount the microphone, and mount this one also. You can see here, if you can show closely. Yes, there is a lock is there. You have to just remove it. And this microphone also having this type of lock, you can see. So you have to just slide it in like this and tighten this one screw. So it's fully tightened now. Now next thing is microphone. You can see MIC, that one you have to remove here. Okay, then this one you have to just plug it in like this, and here you go. And this one is very easy. I have not shown you the how to install the lens, as I think you must be knowing this. And this one I've just mount like this, and just open it. I've already installed the battery and the memory card here inside, so just try to switch it on. I have to just a moment. Let me open the screen for you, and I'll show you also. And yes, it is asking for date and time. Okay, so you have to just set the date and time. It is touch screen, and this is month of March, so March, and date is 19. So here you go. Push and hold the lens switch in direction, then rotate the lens to enable shooting. Push and hold the lens switch in this direction, rotate the lens to enable shooting. Okay, so this switch, you see, you have to just hold it like this. Okay, then you have to go to the video mode. Oh, now you can see here, I will just rotate for you so that you can see what is the mode. So you see here, you have to just push and enable shooting, and you have to do this one. You can see, oh, screen intelligent auto, then hybrid auto, digest movies, then you go screen, then this one is night mode, I think. Then this is the battery is down. So you see, you have to set the knob from here like this, and you go to movie recording, then choose the mode. Okay, auto exposure. Then it shows push and hold the lens switch in this upward direction, and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. So this is the switch. You have to just hold it and push it forward and rotate the lens. See, now it's getting clear. And how you have to change the setting. This one, no, this one. So okay, now you see here, if you go here, you can set it 4K, and go back, and now it shoots for 4K, as you can see. So you just start recording this one. Let me see, this one is the recording button, you can see this one. So it started recording with 4K. Here you go. 4K though. So here you can see from movie recording, if you rotate the knob, go to manual exposure, adjust level of blur, motion appearance, then the AV mode, aperture priority AE, TV mode, then you can go to program AE, greater control than with full auto, and scene intelligent auto. The next one is hybrid auto, and this one is the special scene and creative filters. So that's it. Once I will be acquainted with all these features, I'll let you know. Okay, now let's shoot a another video in 4K with this microphone on, Rode microphone on, and let's see how it looks like. I think the voice will be more clear, crystal clear. Okay, let's stop this and just will play this button. Yes, this one. Okay, just can you come closer a little bit? I don't know where the volume button is. Yes. Let's do it for full volume. Okay, let's stop this. And let's see how it looks like. I think the voice will be more clear. Okay, let's stop this. And if we see this one 1 second, and this is the video I have taken without the Rode microphone. So it's not that much difference, but yeah, still a better option. And this has the capability of moving the photos wirelessly to the mobile phones, also the videos. So it's quite handy and nice for vlogging. So I'll show you one more thing. Here is a Wi-Fi button, you can see, and if you press it, yes, see, just now come to enable and press OK. Register nickname to verify the camera. This next name will be used. Okay, we give a nickname. So the next screen will be like this. Connect to smartphone. You can see smartphone or remote control US utility, Wi-Fi printer, or this one cloud web service, wherever we want. So let's say connect to smartphone. Register device for connection, and it will transfer all the data, and it will transfer all the photos and videos to your mobile itself. So Wi-Fi transfer, it's a very handy good feature in this camera also. So this camera looks like this. Nice. Wow, absolutely nice for vlogging. I'm excited to do some more vlogs with this camera, and I'll show you what are the advantage and disadvantage of this camera. Till then, take care, bye bye. Please subscribe to my channel.